News writing skills for covering conference, seminar, and press conference. How do you write a news story? The basic formula used for news writing is 5 W's and 1 H. The 5 W's are who, what, when, where, why, and the H is how. If, for example, you're reporting on a drive-by shooting in a city, you must start with where the crime happened, that is, what street or area of town. When did the incident occur? The time and dates are important. Who was involved? This includes the name of the person. What exactly occurred? The series of occurrences are important. Why did the incident occur and the motives behind it? How exactly the incident took place. If, however, the above story revolved around someone prominent being shot, then that might be what you start your story with. Covering press conference. A press conference is a meeting in which a business, organization, politician, celebrities, or important people invite media members to give an announcement or talk about a newsworthy event. Press conferences are regular occurrences in the life of any reporter, so the reporter needs to be able to cover them and cover them well. How to cover a press conference? For the beginner, a press conference can be tough to cover. Press conferences tend to move quickly and often don't last very long, so the reporter may have very little time to get the information they need. Come armed with questions. Press conferences move quickly, so prepare questions and be ready ahead of time. Arrive with questions already prepared. Ask your best questions. Once the speaker starts taking questions, there will be multiple reporters shouting out their queries. You may only get one or two of your questions into the mix, so pick your best ones and ask those. Be aggressive if necessary. In a press conference, be prepared to be a bit forward in order to get your questions answered. Shout if you need to. Push your way to the front of the room if you must. Above all, remember, only the strong survive at a press conference. Forget that PR speak, focus on the news. Corporations, politicians, sports teams, and celebrities often try to use press conferences as public relations tool. In other words, they want reporters to put the most positive spin possible on what's being said at the press conference. For example, if the CEO announces that his company has just suffered its worst losses ever, but next he thinks the future is bright. Forget about the bright future, the real news is the huge loss. Press the speaker. Don't let the speaker at a press conference get away with making broad generalizations that aren't supported by fact. Question the basis for the statements they make and get specifics. For instance, if the mayor of your town announces he plans to cut taxes while at the same time increasing municipal services, your first question should be, how can the town provide more services while taking in less revenue? Don't be intimidated. Whether you're covering a press conference with the mayor, the governor, or the president, don't let yourself be intimidated by their power or stature. Once you're intimidated, you'll stop asking tough questions, and remember, it's your job to ask tough questions of the most powerful people in our society. Why do people call press conferences? News conferences are a good way for an individual, company, or government agency to publicize a product, issue, event, or an agenda. News conferences allow a source to control how information is released. Even a contentious news conference gives a source better control than many interview situations do. By putting a source in contact with several reporters at once, press conferences save the source's time. To help you turn a press conference from the source to your audience's advantage, remember, get the background. Find out all you can about what is apt to happen at the news conference before it happens. What is the need of this news conference? What is the next development, etc. Check your clips or file type. Talk to other people close to the source or close to the issue. Try looking for documents or online resources that can fill you in. Tape the entire conference. For broadcast stories, tape the entire press conference if you can. You can pick the bites you want later. Ask questions. If the speaker says he or she won't take questions, ask some anyway. Try to follow up as well. Covering seminars. The word seminar is derived from the Latin word seminarium, which means seed plot. A seminar is a formal approach used, and usually specific topics are raised, given a podium to raise as well as debate. Here, the readings are assigned and discussed, and questions are raised. Topics are given pre-hand, and the audience would be a small gathering, usually in a seminar hall. It is a lecture that is primarily academic. It is for smaller duration, as in one day. Experts are called to deliver speech and involves the use of audiovisual equipments. Schools, colleges regularly hold seminars to educate as well as motivate students. Nowadays, seminars are integral in business organizations as well. Example, Media Seminar by T. John College. How to cover a seminar. In-depth knowledge. As the seminars are more concentrating on the academic side, there should be expert panels to report it who knows in depth about the topic. Jot down your impression. Jotting down of your impressions of the seminar will constitute a working framework from which you can develop your formal evaluation. Focus on the topic. Describe in a few sentences the topic of the class. This can either be your own understanding of what was being offered, or a direct quote from the seminar conducted, or handout package or syllabus. Follow-up. Follow-ups need not be done as seminars end within a day. Eminence prominence. If the speaker is eminent, give more information about him. Covering conferences. A conference is a formal meeting of people who preach a shared interest. Topics are issued pre-hand, and the gathering is relatively larger, and they are conducted in conference halls. Innovative ideas from the members are thrown here. Conferences are longer in duration and extend over many days. They can be regarding academic, business, or trade. Conferences are conducted to build contacts. Example, World Summit Conference. How to cover conferences. Prior research. Prior research regarding the topic should be done by the journalist attending the conference. A good background knowledge regarding the topic is necessary. Talk. After the conference, try and talk to the attendees and involve their thoughts and feedback in your report too. Language and speech. Language and speech should be emphasized. Try adding quotes of the eminent speakers in the seminar. Follow-up. The reporter must attend follow-up conferences, as a conference can extend for more than a day.